I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here with the Powerowl 8-base smart battery charger. And this is very easy to use. It comes with a USB charger, so you can just put this in right here on the side and then use this on your laptop, or if you have a USB power plug, and you can just plug this in. So it's very easy to use. It has 8 base and it's suitable for type NIM-H batteries. So those are the batteries that have the longest charge, and you could put 8 of these batteries in here. So type AA batteries and even the AAA batteries, it fits both, so that's not any problem. And you of course can charge NIM-H batteries or other rechargeable batteries from other brands as well. It has an overcharge function, so if the batteries are full it will stop charging and just trickle down a little bit to keep them fully charged. And you can see this by the lights that are on top of here. So this is a very small compact charger with 8 base. It's the smallest I've seen, and I really recommend it for anyone looking for a charger for type A and AAA batteries.